Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone hotspot not working on other devices. So if you're trying to connect other device to your iPhone's hotspot, but it won't connect, here are a few things you can do to fix it. First, open settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap personal hotspot. Make sure allow others to join is turned on, just like so. Also, double check that you're using the correct Wi-Fi password. So you can tap on Wi-Fi password to change it. Just make sure the password matches what you're entering on the other device. Then save your changes by clicking the check mark at the top right. Now, while you're here, turn on Maximize Compatibility as well. So scroll down and look for Maximize Compatibility and turn it on just like so. Next, go back to the main settings menu. Then scroll down and tap General. Then scroll down and go to VPN and Device Management. Open it. Make sure you're not connected to any VPN. So it should say not connected, just like what you're seeing here. After that, return to the previous menu. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset. Then tap Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode and select Reset Network Settings again. And that's it. Now, if it's still not connecting, you can try restarting your iPhone. So just quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the side power button. So keep holding it even after the screen goes black until you see the Apple logo, then release the button. So once your phone turns back on, go to settings again and make sure your hotspot is enabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching.